Senator Patterson.
Madam President, my question is to the Minister representing the Prime Minister, Senator Wong. Does the Prime Minister's personal welcome home for Mr Julian Assange, convicted of espionage by our closest intelligence partner, indicate that the Albanese government would tolerate a similar leaking of sensitive classified information in Australia?
Thank you, Senator Patterson. Minister Wong.
Thank you, Senator Patterson, and I'm very happy to respond to that. And in fact, I was asked a similar question this morning, and I made this point. We have laws in Australia in relation to national security information. We expect those laws to be observed by all citizens and by all entities. That is our position. In relation to Mr Assange, we have taken the view that this matter had gone on for too long, and as the Prime Minister has said, nothing further would be served, or nothing would be served by further incarceration of Mr Assange. I appreciate that there are a range of views in the Australian community about his actions, and some are very deeply felt. As Foreign Minister, what I can say, we viewed it as our obligation to advocate on behalf of an Australian citizen. As you would know, the decision his passage home was enabled by the plea arrangements and decision of an American court, which made its decision this week. That provided the pathway for his return home. As I said to you, whatever people's views about these matters, the Australian government has taken a view for some time, for a very long time, that this matter had gone on too long, and that is why the Prime Minister made this a priority and why this was raised at all appropriate levels of the government, including by me.
Thank you, Minister. Senator Patterson, first supplementary.
Thank you, Madam President. Do you agree with the Prime Minister when he compared Mr Assange's plight to that of Sean Turnell and Kylie Moore-Gilbert, people who were arbitrarily detained in dictatorships?
Thank you, Senator Patterson. Minister Wong.
I think if you are referring to the Prime Minister's statement, I observed that, and what he was talking about was a calm, considered, disciplined approach to diplomacy, which we have deployed in relation to all of those cases. What I would say about Mr Assange is he went through an American legal process. You've heard me in this chamber, Senator, in response to other senators, including Senator Shoebridge, say that these are matters for either the United Kingdom or the US courts, and that in a comparable case, the matter could not be resolved until legal processes have been resolved. That is what occurred when the Department of Justice and Mr Assange appeared before the court in Saipan, and a judgment was entered. I would say to you, Senator, that it is appropriate.
Thank you, Minister. The time for answering has expired. Senator Patterson, second supplementary.
Thank you, Madam President. Did Mr Albanese use his welcome home call to Mr Assange to seek assurances from him that in future he would not promote misinformation or release any further sensitive or classified information?
Minister Wong.
Thank you, President. Well, as I said, I suspect the welcome home call was to express a hope that Mr Assange could spend time with his family. Obviously, this has been a very long process for him, and he has been away from his family for a very long time. What I would also say is that I'm sure that the Prime Minister's expectation is, as I have articulated, that national security information is to be protected. What I can also assure you is that the Prime Minister did not invite him to join the Labor Party in the way that Senator Canavan did when he said, "Well, mate, I'm happy for him, Mr Assange, to join the National Party."